Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cream to powder. Now I know a few of you have watched my powder to cream video. Well, this time I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful cream foundation that dries to a nice powdery finish when it's applied. It's also all natural and vegan friendly. Let me show you how it's made. This is the product we're going to be making here. As you can see, it's a beautiful creamy foundation, and when you apply it to the skin, it dries to a beautiful powdery finish. Now I'm also using a soft focus material in this product. It's Gram Powder BBP 700, and if I put a little bit of this powder straight on my skin, you'll see it has a beautiful soft focus effect. So I'm using that in this product and it will have the same result in the finished product. Now to put this product together, I am using a nice light skin feel ester so it doesn't feel greasy and it has a really nice finish. I've also got some shea butter in here. I've got some hydrogenated vegetable oil. I've got some candelilla wax, and I've got some Synchro Wax HRC by Croda. Now it's really important that when you're making a product like this, that you don't rely on the butters and low melting point materials to build the hardness. Otherwise, what sets beautifully well in winter turns into a big slushy mess in summer. So I'm using the Synchro Wax, the candelilla wax, and the hydrogenated vegetable oil to get the form of the product. And of course, the shea butter gives it a beautiful feeling when it's applied to the skin. I've also got my iron oxides and my zinc oxide measured out here. I'm just going to grind these up, and then I can heat my oily face, add my ground pigments, and mix them together. Now I remove the product from the heat. I let it cool slightly, but it's important to keep it above its setting point at this time. Then I can add my antioxidant. You could add a fragrance if you wanted here. And I'm adding the BBP powder. Then I can pour it off while it's still molten and allow it to set. Now it doesn't take too long to set, so make sure that when you are pouring off you can maintain that temperature just above setting point. You don't want it too hot constantly, but just keep it just above setting point. By the next day it will set into this beautiful cream finish that when applied dries to a beautiful powdery finish. Well, there you go. That's how to make a cream to powder foundation that's also vegan friendly and uses natural materials. I also had that soft focus material in there for you for an extra bonus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please have any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!